You just scared him. We're dead. Right, Tooth, let's go. Get out of here. Go, go! Dad, he won't hurt you! Solo gliding there, but... Wes, you're pouting, big baby boo. We'll try this on. Feeling it yet? Huh? Picking up on all my heartfelt remorse? Oh, come on. Yeah, you wouldn't hurt a one-legged. Oh, you're right. You win. Remember me?